Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I'm Risha Fatima from CID News Network, Islamabad. China strongly rejects the reports about gradually ending the CPAC financial support. Croatia is hit with the earthquake of 6.3 magnitude. 7 people died and several are missing. A high-level Saudi delegation will be visiting Pakistan next month to discuss Pak-Saudi relationships. The first batch of Pakistan's JF-17 fighter jets is set to be inducted in the Nigerian Air Force. Turkey and United Kingdom signed a free trade deal. This is a historic day for Turkey-UK relations, said Turkish Trade Minister Rusar Pakcan. Israel hopes for rapprochement with 5 Muslim countries before the exit of Donald Trump. Turkey restores water supplies of 35 Syrian villages. India can't defeat Pakistan militarily, says a former Indian police officer in his book National Security and Conventional Arm Race. Coronavirus death toll in Pakistan crosses 10,000. The new variant of the novel coronavirus does not appear to cause more severe illness than other variants, according to the Public Health of England. In US, a 45-year-old nurse tests positive for COVID-19 after injecting the vaccine.
You are watching CID News Network, Islamabad.